guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Moana, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite recipes, beef pilau. This recipe is so easy, it is easy to follow, and it's always a crowd pleaser. Please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button so that you'll be notified every time I upload something new. So yeah, let's get started. Ingredients: we are going to use beef, garlic, Cumin and Pilau Masala, cloves and ginger, onions and bay leaves. Add your cooking oil. Before we add anything to the onions, they have to first caramelize, if that is the right word, to turn golden brown, almost burning but not burnt, not fully burnt, because when they are burnt they don't bring out the color we want. Add our garlic. You can decide to put garlic first, but to me I feel like it will burn, it will not give you that aroma. But if I add it now, the aroma will be there and it will not get burned. Ginger and cloves. This is the brown I was talking about. Add our meat. At this point you can test the meat to see if it is ready. See how soft it is? It is ready. Let's add in the water so that we'll start preparing our rice. I'm preparing half a kg of rice and half a kg of beef. So in half a kg of rice we are adding 2 cups of water. I'm using this cup to measure. So 2 cups of rice, no, 2 cups of water, that goes to a half kg of what? Rice. But since I'm using gas, I'm going to top a little bit up, like another quarter of water, because you never know. You can taste for salt, but if it's not enough, you can add it up here. Please don't forget to wash your rice because we don't need extra starch. Our water is boiling very well, so we're adding our rice. Anyway, that brings us to the end of the video. If you try out this recipe, please share with me, tag me on Instagram so that I can see your creations. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button so that you'll be notified every time I upload something new. And yeah, thanks for watching.